Hey guys, what's up? It's Nelia and welcome back to my channel. I'm back for another video. Today's video, I'm bringing back the mini twist. I have some new products, some new techniques, some new things I want to try out and share with you all.
Well, that's how I wanted the video to start, but unfortunately, it didn't end too well. Okay guys, so today I wanted to share with you some truths about mini twists, and what I mean by that is I'm going to share with you the not so pretty side about this protective style. Now, it is my #1 favorite protective style, but it's not that easy peasy as many of us, try to make it seem. Off bat, products can make or break this style. Now, I used a new combo here that did not work for me. I will show you later on in this video, but here I'm talking about melanin, and I actually used melanin. I love melanin, by the way. It's bomb for twist outs, but I discovered with melanin that it was not good for mini twists, and I did my whole head with this stuff, and it's just not meant to last in your hair for weeks on end. So you will definitely flop and plop with different products, and y'all, this is just trial and error, and I'm gonna keep it real with you. You're gonna maybe waste hours on your hair with a new product and find out 3 days later that that stuff is yucky. It's no good. So as you can see here, I used the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. I don't know what this is. I don't recommend it for mini twists though. This cream, I did my whole entire head with it, and it was just a disaster. It was no bueno. I also used the Cantu gel, which I personally do like for wash and goes, and I don't think was the cause of the buildup and residue, but I mostly think it was this Cream of Nature product. I spent hours on my head doing mini twists with these two, and it was just, it's okay. Trial and error. I had to keep it real with you guys. Okay, truth number 2. This style can be more damaging than helpful depending on how you take care of it. Okay, so like myself, I have fine texture, but I do not recommend keeping this style in for very long if you have a fine texture like myself. This style can easily turn into knots if you're not careful, and I try to watch my ends daily to make sure they're not tangling against each other. And then of course I do my moisture routine, which I'll link above, and of course down below I'll have a whole playlist about my mini twist. But yes, it takes daily maintenance. You can't just ignore this hairstyle. You have to check your ends and possibly continue to retwist them as the days go by. Also, the roots can mat easily as well, so you also have to be aware of that. For truth number 3, which I kind of touched on earlier, the twist will unravel throughout your style. And I know that can be really annoying to people who don't want to constantly keep twisting up their hair and they just want to leave it be. But there will be a few, especially if you find natural hair like me, there will be a few that come apart and you will have to retwist them daily. But this also goes back to the products that you use. I know for me, I usually use Eco Styler gel, and I find myself not having to retwist as many daily when I use the Eco Styler gel. So you're just gonna have to find your go-to gel for mini twists and just stick with it. Don't try to branch out too much, because you're gonna be mad when your whole head is done with a gel that's crappy and you don't feel like taking it out right away. Like these. 4 is washing. If your natural hair journey has you on a strict regimen of weekly washing of your hair and things, I find washing the mini twist to be a minor hassle, but it's possible. I actually have an entire video dedicated to my wash routine with the mini twist, but essentially you just want to prevent the twist from tangling with one another and of course unraveling. Now, I usually put my mini twists in big chunky braids and focus on just shampooing the scalp, but I usually don't do a wash day only because I never had my mini twist in for very long, and of course I just try to avoid tangling altogether. Here in this clip is about maybe 1.5 weeks later using those 2 products I showed you, and my hair was just really knotted badly, and the matting was out of this world. It's never this bad, so I knew it was like a product mishap. So like I said, live and learn. Okay guys, so this was just some truths about mini twists that I wanted to share, but in conclusion, this is an amazing protective style. I know I came for it in this video, but it's versatile. It allows you to see some of your length, and it provides a great opportunity for you to trim your ends. You just got to be aware and careful and just cautious of what your hair is going through while it's in this particular protective style. And that's not just mini twists, that's any protective style you decide to put your hair in. You just really got to check in on your hair, even though it is tucked away for a little bit. Check in on it, see how it's doing, making sure it's alive and moisturized. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. Join the family. I come out with new natural hair and lifestyle videos every week. And yeah, if you guys want to see a full tutorial of my mini twists and just like the whole playlist, I'll link it down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!